Then we have a problem. To stay home. Now he's calling me saying that there's strange noises. So Chloe is home alone in this cabin, right? Cabin. Come on, let's go. Alright, come on, this way. That is sketchy. I think we lost. Looks like for a second. You know I'm taking a break. I'm gonna do comment of the week. Not a good idea. No. Alright, I'm on my way. I gotta go. Let's see if we can get his attention. Clear here. He should be up there. It's like some sort of claw. Alright, Chloe, are you there? Okay, come on. Jill! You're taking forever! I'm hurrying! This thing, let's go. Alright, let's go. Go. Oh, there he is. There he is. Go. Come in. What in the world is wrong with you? Me too, I guess. How long are we in here? I don't know. Why'd you throw the pin? Good job. You actually thought of a good idea. Picture of the week comes from Quaid. Oh, I love that. Yeah, I think it's clear. All right.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we know the ABC. Let's go, kids, and sing with me. Everybody know this song. We can sing it all day long. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now let's try faster.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
That was fun at the beach yesterday.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get your bucket. What are we gonna do?
Puss. I don't think he's gonna cooperate. Okay, Octopus, get prepared to go home. Put the lid and flush him down the toilet.
Okay, I got it.
Hold him up! Are you sure all pipes lead to the ocean? Down there to watch Snake in a Basket that jumps at you and me. I think we finally made
A nice view.
I want to go explore.
I'm gonna take your eyes for a little bit first.
Hey, Dad, I want to go explore.
All right, buddy, have fun. Just be careful out there.
Okay. I bet I can find it. Whoa, that's a huge pipe. Gold? Chloe! Chloe! Where are you, Chloe? Chloe! Let's go! Someone else is gonna find the gold!
I'm just getting our gear ready here.
I got ladder, let's go.
I don't know about this. What do you mean something?
Don't worry about the little river. We're gonna go to the big river where the big This way. We're gonna be so rich. Well, we found the river.
Where's the gold? Check it out.
Whatever.
This one.
Not my gold!
We gotta get out of here. There's something in the bushes.
I can't believe you made me leave the gold.
You're gonna be sorry.
Not today, I won't. Everything, I'm tough.
Where'd it go?
I'm not sure, but I think it's in the kitchen. There!
Go into the living room.
Don't let it get away! Do you see it? Good. Now I can go get my gold. Now I'm gonna go get my gold. I told everyone I had to get my gold back. I wonder what Chloe was so scared about in these woods. Brian Payne. Hey guys, your video is doing creepy clowns. Do you think we should do it? Let us know in the comments.
Give it a thumbs up.
Oh well, he's gone. I heard him no. Okay, bye guys.
Oh, cool, trampoline car. Ouch. I wonder what they got here.
Wait here. Hello? Coley? What are you doing? Are you even asleep? Hey, just get up. No, please. No, Coley, don't leave me. Coley! Let's go. Wait, what is that thing? Coley, we're not playing with this right now. We can play with this tomorrow.
Whoa, let's go the Hawkeye. You know what we should do?
Have a blaster battle on the trampoline. Don't do it. You know you're just asleep. Don't. Yep, right way, no. No, let's go to bed. Fine. Coley, the game isn't even on. That's the garage, buddy. We're still trying to go to sleep. Aw, score 0? Whoa. What is this thing? In order to wake him up. Okay, get in then. Awesome warehouse thing. If you live in Scottsdale, Arizona, or live close, definitely check it out. All right, comment this week comes from Brandon Hughes. Is his name Cole or Coley? Is your name Cole or what's your name? Anyways, and that T-Rex battle looks sick.